support you for being toxic.
Bro, honestly, it's Marvel Rivals, bro. You're supposed to be toxic, bro.
The battle starts in 5.
Oh
My name's
my
Munch
god.
on Crack, bro. Like, of course I'm gonna munch on your crack.
Locate that vehicle to its destination.
Where the fuck are we?
He tried TPing us off, bro. He's so shit, bro. Bro, this
Did we
group
all
sucks,
just
bro.
walk into that?
Yeah, we did. I thought we were gonna die, honestly.
We all walked into that and it was
Oh,
fine.
can I just have some healing rocket? Like, no. What's going on,
Oh, get
bro?
out of here, bro. Get out of here.
Holy
That's
shit,
so
I'm
hard.
getting
No,
bursted.
really.
Oh, where are the heals at? Oh my god.
Help!
Oh my god, this team is... It's redeeming the night right now.
Yeah, right?